Hey, guess what we did?
Yeah, guess what we did?
You gotta guess. We're not telling you what we did.
You're gonna guess.
Find out what we did and freak out. You're
Yes.
gonna want to kill us. Because world, we are so sorry we did this to you. We deeply apologize for what we did to you, world. But we're gonna make up for it.
We're gonna make it
We
up.
swear to God.
Just believe in us.
Just believe in us.
We
World.
love you, world.
We are sorry for what we did to you, world.
We love you, everybody.
We love
in the
everybody.
world.
If you're watching this video, we are sorry. But
We love you.
you gotta. There's something we did. You gotta know what we did. You gotta know
Yeah,
what we
you're
did.
gonna find out. You're gonna find out. Hold on.
Please, let me tell him. Let me tell him. You're bad with people, Leah.
How dare you?
Leah's bad with people, and that's why she did this. So I will tell you. I'm about to tell you. We just wasted an entire minute of